How to access logbook records for the last 7 days in TruckX Driver's Logbook app on Wired ELD. Find and tap on the TruckX Driver's Logbook app on the homepage of the Wired ELD tablet. Once inside the app, click on More. To access the logbook records for the last 7 days, click on DOT Inspection. Click on Start to begin the inspection process. You will see a message: "This is ELD. TruckX logbook is compliant under 49 CFR 395.22. Click on Next. For inspection details, view the inspection and driver manuals by clicking on View. To proceed with the inspection, click on Inspect. To access the logbook records, tap on View Inspection. Here, you can view the logbook records for the last 7 days, and you can easily navigate between dates by swiping right or left.